Hello developers, this is Amna from Granger. Welcome to the first video on IoT made easy. So today we are going to have a quick start on Granger. As you know, Granger is a full-stack IoT platform where you can connect devices to the internet and control it through an app. You can use its APIs to get the internet connection through a Wi-Fi module and make an app to control it by just drag and drop method on the canvas. There are different components of Granger, but today mainly we are going to use and discuss two of them. And those are the Arduino software development kit or the Arduino SDK and the canvas. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to sign up to Granger. And for that, go to the site cloud.granger.tech. Here you will have to go to get access. Just fill in all the required fields, then you will receive a one-time password or an OTP. Just fill that in and you will be redirected to Granger dashboard. Since I already have an account, so I'll be just signing in simply. So this is Granger dashboard. Here it says select a project. And for that, you'll have to make one, obviously. So just give it a name and describe it briefly. Suppose I want to blink an LED on a Wi-Fi board and control it through Canvas over the internet. So I'll name it as Internet Switch, or you can name it whatever you want. Now since the project has been made, so we'll register a device, and for that, you have to go to the Devices section. Now, to register a device, you first need to register its data model. You're free to name your device whatever you want, but for the schema field, you have to be vigilant while passing a variable with its value. So, since we are running a blink function on a Wi-Fi board, so I'll name it as LED and fill in its schema like this. Inside the parentheses, write the variable in double quotes, and after a colon, I'll add the initial state of the LED, that is 0. Now just add it. Now click add in the devices section and click anywhere on this row. So here you're asked to add a product ID. So just name it wisely, like here I'm working on a Wi-Fi module whose LED I want to blink. So I'll name it after the module that I am using, that is ESP8266 with some suffix. So here, it's the access token and the device ID. Just copy these somewhere like on your notepad because you will be needing them afterwards. Now you will have to register a user by adding an account who will have the access to control the device. So go to the account section, just add any account, or you can use the account that you just added or made. So the thing is that an account can only see and control the devices paired with it. So go to the Devices tab, and in the Actions column of the device that you created in the previous tab, click on the pair button that I just showed you. Select your user, and your device has been paired to your user account. Now, here is the most amazing part that we were waiting for, that is using the canvas. So click on the Canvas tab here and add any widget you like. Here I want to control the LED with a button, so I'll just choose the button widget. Now configure the widget. Just give it a title like blink or LED for instance. Then add an on and off state of the device. So here the off state of the LED will be 0 and its on state will be 1. The widget is ready now. Clicking on the run button will run our newly created app. Select the device you want to control and done. Now, we have to set the Wi-Fi module. Here I am using ESP8266, but you can also use any other like ESP32 or Arduino Wi-Fi Shield. Here I'll illustrate how to handle your ESP8266's Wi-Fi. So you just need to copy the code from GitHub. The link for that is given in the description, or you can just simply go to Granger dev/Arduino SDK and get the code in the docs. Here I have pasted the code in my editor. So let's just quickly get an insight to the code. So this is a simple Arduino code where we have called Granger library. In this part, you are supposed to add all the credentials, and these are actually all those things that you copied in your notepad before. So that's why I asked you to copy it earlier. Here, just add your Wi-Fi credentials to connect to the Wi-Fi, because obviously IoT without internet doesn't make any sense. And here we initialized Granger. And in this line, we subscribed the LED variable, which will keep updating whenever the state is changed through the button on the canvas. So after adding all the required things, just run the code with the command Granger run. So here I have burned the code on my Wi-Fi module, and here on the canvas I am just toggling the button, and with this you can see that the states of the LED keeps changing. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.